In today's video, we're going to show you how to add in the holidays for the coming year and how to change the holidays on the holiday groups to match those. Each year, holidays need to be updated so that it reflects the correct dates for the holidays that your company observes. Holding our mouse over Configuration, Rule Setup, and Holidays. In here, we'll add the holidays for the coming year. I can see I have a few here that need to be added in. I click Add New Holiday. Give it a name. And then from here, I can go forward 3 months at a time. Select the date that the company observes the holiday and click Save. Add new holiday. I've already placed one in here for Labor Day 2020. So when I'm done adding all of my holidays for the coming year, I'll come back to Configuration, Rule Setup, and then Holiday Groups. The holidays was just to determine which holidays that the company observes. The holiday groups determine which holidays various employees would get and how many hours for that holiday they would get. So here I click Edit, and I want to change this one. I'm going to select Edit. From the drop down, I'm going to go down and choose the same one for the coming year. I can see the dates have changed. I click Save. This holiday is now ready for the coming year. We'll edit Independence Day. Again, I'll go down and choose the date for the coming year. We see here that the dates have changed. Click Save. Edit. Find Labor Day for 2020. The dates are correct. And we haven't come up on Thanksgiving yet or any of these, so these I'll leave in here for right now. You could add those into the holiday and then come down and select Add New Holiday and choose the Thanksgiving 2020 and add in your own specifics as needed here and then save. That will add another line for it down here. Normally though, come January, after the new year is when you're updating your holidays, so there's no need for that. You would just come in and change all of these holidays in preparation of the next year. Once we have these correct, we select Save. We could then move on to our part-time list. And here we see Memorial Day. Come down here and choose the next year and do these for the rest as needed. Once you're complete, you select Save, and that completes updating your holidays for the year.